Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. Today, I wanted to share with you an adjustment to harmonize our digestive system. And as I'm choosing what to present, it really seems like we're working on the respiratory system, the immune system, the digestive system, all these big systems that when they are in harmony, our body can function optimally. So today I like to work on the Depth 1 Specialist, it's called. It's in the Depth textbook, in this one. And it's a very simple adjustment that's really wonderful also because it works down our neck. Like I said, it helps our digestive system, working the neck. So if we feel stressed and just feeling really good. So these little adjustments, these depth specialists, they really work on a physical body. So it harmonizes like the lifestyle that we've led, the lifestyle that we are leading. And when it burdens our system, these depth specialists really help to resolve it. So first, let's just place our hands on our neck to just feel a little bit which side you like to work on first. And then you can cross over your hand to the neck like this. And place your other hand on 25 on the sits bone, which is right here. So you can sit on your hand. And if you're lying down, you can open up your chest like this and really let the weight of your head move into your hand. So that feels really good. And we will move down the whole neck here. So the neck 4, 12, 11, and 3. And so I'm inviting you to really just feel your neck a little bit and feel what feels good for you, because everybody is going to be different there. We know that safety energy location 4, it harmonizes our chest line, which is related to our emotions. So are you a person who's very much with their feelings and into their feelings? Or 12, which harmonizes the waistline and calms our mind. Are you a mind person? Are you in your head a lot? And 12 might be the one for you to focus on. Or 11, the hip line and our physical body. So all of these locations have different qualities. So you can also hold 4 and 12 together, for example. In any case, we would like to work down this whole line, but you can stay a little bit longer on the area where you feel your body is happy and where you like to harmonize the energy, be it 4, 12, 11, or 3. So taking a few breaths here. So this also looks like a supervisor, right? Supervisor self-help flow where we hold 11 and 25, harmonizing the front of the body. So if you're on the right side, you're harmonizing the right front of the body. So the gallbladder, the appendix for appendicitis or pain in this area, this is really helpful to hold 11 and 25. This is also a great flow if you have whiplash or neck pain. And sometimes when we have a lot of stress in our lives, then our neck can tighten up and cause projects for our digestive system. When we have stress, then the energy starts to move up and we can have, for example, acid reflux. And when our body relaxes, the energy can go down. The stomach flow moves down, right? So if we get stressed and it starts to move up, it can cause acid reflux, for example. So the neck is important and we like it to feel open and free, that you're able to move your head around freely. Let's take another breath. And now let's take our hand off the 25 and move it to the opposite 2. So right here. See what's comfortable if you're holding with your fingertips like this, or if it's more comfortable, you can also use the back of your hand, as long as you get this connection and you can feel the pulsation, you can feel the energy harmonize. So by moving it to the other side of the body, we're bringing in this mediator aspect, and all these flows, all these little depth specialists, they they are using the supervisor and the mediator flows to harmonize the body, as we are always doing. And the mediator flow is the one that can really whip us out of harmony. And so if you look at the illustration, you see something that looks like a mediator flow. It looks similar. We see a supervisor aspect, a mediator aspect. And so we see what can go on in the body, reinforcing the supervisor and the mediators in these flows. If you're holding the left, location number 2, if you're holding the left 2, you are helping your digestive system, the intestines. If you have loose stool, like diarrhea, the left 2 will help. And if you have constipation, you can hold the right 2, and you can hold it with the opposite aid. So this is another quick little suggestion. If you have constipation, you can hold the right 2, right lower back with left back of the knee, right 2 and left 8. If you have diarrhea, you can hold the left 2 and the right 8. So this overlaps with this little adjustment that we're practicing right now. And you can be creative with these flows, practice them and see how they feel to you. You can read the description and see if it fits you. Play around with them, remembering that jinshin is an art, right? The art of jinshin. So be creative with it and learn from your own body, bringing your body to the book, understanding what's going on in your body. That's very important. So to finish, because this is a very simple little flow, we'll hold a finger that harmonizes the digestive system. And for you, which finger comes to mind? It can be all of them. There's a relation to the digestive system. So where do you naturally go? Earlier, Tanya was saying the ring finger, and the ring finger harmonizes our large intestine energy. And sometimes when we get upset, we can feel this activity in our intestines. So this one will help. Or the thumb, harmonizing the stomach energy, allowing for energy to descend, also helping our digestive system. Or for you, maybe it's the little finger, small intestine, another one that harmonizes our digestive system. So all of the depths greatly overlap. They help our major systems in the body. And so wherever you start, wherever you move in, when the energy starts to flow and opens up, the body will follow. So I really invite you through this holiday season to pick up your books, practice the flows, and most importantly, keep it simple and having fun with it. I thank you all so much for joining, and see you next week.